In this guide video of 1-2 step, I'm going to show you the process of logging in to your Employment Hero account. Whether you are an employee or an HR trying to log into your portal, in this video let me show you the quick process. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into the video. Search for employmenthero.com on the search bar of your web browser and it's going to take you to its website. Now from this section or this website, you will need to first select your region. So on the top you can see, if you click on this arrow, you can pick the region that you're in. And then you'll see a login button on the top right. Click on login and pick the payroll login or the HR login. Once you click on your option, it's going to take you to the login section where you'll need to type in your email address and the password of your account. So type in the email in the first box and type in the password in the second box. If you don't remember the password of your account, click on the forgot my password link and from there you can follow a couple of steps to recover your password as well. So once you type in both of your credentials, you can click on login and you'll be easily logged in to your Employment Hero account. If this guide video was helpful to you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more videos that we upload. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.